Right. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today, I'm going to be going all the way, only 2 stops on the Metro to Biker. I'm currently at Monument. I'm at the Phoenix entrance, so yeah, like I said, I'm going to go to Biker. Probably the second last time I'm actually going to get on the Metro in Newcastle, so yeah, enjoy the video. Right, so as I said, I've just been to Phoenix, big Phoenix bag, and I also shopped at Hotel Chocolat, and I also got two books from Waterstones in Newcastle, so my arm is aching a lot. But here is the Metro part of the station, and as you can see, 140 years of whatever this thing's called, Phoenix. Yes, Phoenix. 140 years of Phoenix this year, so happy 140th birthday, Phoenix. We are... Where is it? Well, where's Monument? Here at Monument. Dexter! Right. Got our tickets. Right. That would be nice, yes, please. Thank you. Right, I've just had my bags taken off me, which is nice. So, we're going down the escalator, which is cool. Thumbs up. Yeah, I didn't know if it was left or right, so we've just missed our train, everyone.
We'll go on this one.
I think we should get on this one, just because we should.
What's on 100% the other I don't even know where. Where's Baker?
Monument. Where?
There.
Monument, Haymarket, Manners, Biker. Are we on the Biker one? That's not ours. This is our one. Can we go on the front? Oh, there's something. Manners. I think this is the station, the final underground station. But I'm not sure. Special fact about Manners. This station is a National Rail station, apart from it doesn't say it on the Metro, as it's such a bad service at the National Rail station. Yes, I was right. This is the station where the the station's underground, but it's the final one on one of the ends. What's that? Is that an abandoned platform or something? I don't know. The what? Biker wall. Okay, that's Biker wall apparently. It's flat. Flats. Oh, flats where you live, right. Right, we're now approaching Biker, our final station. And I'm going to press the button. Which is nice because I like pressing the Metro door buttons. I'm going along. What? Oh well. Oh, there's also one arriving over there. Four, seven, gosh. Right. Yeah, there's that one. Oh, Regent Centre lifts are out of service. Right, so that's the... I don't know, but
Oh, I do.
that's... Oh, okay, cool. That's the end of the video. If you liked it, remember to like and subscribe. And is that the railway? Oh, no way. Oh, no, it's just a road. It's just a road. My day is now sad. Yeah. I mean, I can just about see the station there, but I think that's the end of the video. If you liked it, remember to like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Goodbye. Oh, bus.